And then you don't even ever have to touch anything. Hey everybody, so I got some pumpkin scraping gloves. These are great for a lot of different reasons. I did a video on these a year ago, and I was actually surprised because they got over 1 million views. But a lot of comments about sensory issues and how awesome these are. Now they do have different sets. This one is just the adult one. They also have a set where you can get the adult and a child, or you can get a couple different adults or a couple different child's ones. This one also does have a regular glove in there too, extra long. But this is great for those that have either sensory or even allergy issues. I was actually surprised how many people actually have allergies to pumpkin. Oh, I guess I should mention it does come with a couple cutters. You'll see that this one will actually go past the elbow. And if you have shorter arms, it'll go even further up. But these gloves will make it where you don't have to touch anything. So if you do have that allergy, you don't have to worry about it. It has this little scraper built in right into it. So the claw. And we could easily just scrape and clean our pumpkin with it. And you can see how nice and clean that will get it. I want to try to get you a better view, but you can see how well it will just scrape it and how easy it is to clean it. And then you don't even ever have to touch anything. Now, I had a lot of people that were like, why don't you just touch it with your hands? That's the fun of it. But there are a lot of people that actually have very severe allergies to pumpkin, and they actually need something like this. And when we're all done, we have a really, really nice pumpkin that didn't take very long at all. So whether you need this for sensory issues, allergies, or you just want something that's going to be a lot easier, a lot faster, this is definitely the fastest way that I've ever cleaned a pumpkin. And it's definitely the cleanest and easiest way as well. I liked them so much, I bought them a second year in a row, and I definitely recommend them. If you take care of them, they will last more than one season. But if you're not careful, these scrapers will rip up the gloves when you are putting them away. So definitely be careful when you are storing them, and you can get more than 1 year out of these. Hopefully this helps some people out there. Definitely share this for anybody that has allergies or sensory issues. This is a really good product. I really actually like this one. And this is a product that I purchased myself 2 years in a row. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.